what, the parrots, they can do this in the wild. They'll copy their flock mates. So it's a natural behavior, but sometimes when they spend time around people, in the home as pets maybe, they can copy the sounds we make with surprising accuracy, and it sounds pretty amazing to see it, especially in real life. So we have a couple of little parrots to share with you here today, named Molly and Gabby. Here they are joining us. Amazon parrots that lived as pets in a home before they came to live here with us.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for bringing them out here. I know, we're just gonna change it up and see what we can get. Hi, do you want to say hello? Hello. Hi, this is Molly. Molly? What's her name?
Gabriella.
And Gabriella. We call her Gabby. What do you want to do? It's a pretty good cat impression, huh? I don't know why I would call a cat, but there it is. Okay, how about some singing?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. So, you ready?
I love you.
I love you too. You want to sing? Let's sing.
You are my time.
Wow, that was a fun song. Yeah, it started off as You Are My Sunshine and ended with Old MacDonald. So, the other song you want to sing? Can you sing in Spanish? Yeah, there it is. Good job. The first line to La Cucaracha, they sing it on a loop, and I hear it all day long. Okay, that was really good, though. Do you have anything else you want to say? I love you too, but I know sometimes they'll actually start doing all kinds of stuff that maybe I haven't heard before, so I want to see anything else. Do you have anything else that you know? Oh, McDonald.